Vincent here. Right now it's 11:57, April 13, Sunday, and London session is about to open in couple of hours. We're going to be recording this video. This video will be about the Sunday breakdown, and I'm about to show you guys the pairs that I'm really interested to take a trade this week. So we're going to start out with NZDJPY. NCDJPY, as you guys can see, we are bearish. Daily, we are bearish. And 4 hour, we are bullish. So we have two time frames in sync on the bearish. And as you guys can see that we have a very strong level of area of interest on the weekly time frame. And we are also in the psychological level of the 84,000. Same thing as the area of daily area of interest. As you can see, we have a very strong level on the daily time frame. And as you guys can see over here, that price action has break below. We are looking for the price action to have a retracement, rejection, and look for a sell. And going down to the 4-hour time frame, I put my area of interest where I'll be looking for to enter this trade. So I pretty much put my area of interest where I'll be looking to enter in this area because we have a very strong level on the 1 hour over here. And EMA being below it. So once price action has break below in this area, then EMA will be coming above it. So I'm gonna keep an eye on this. This is my number one pair of the week. And we're just going to be waiting on the London session to open. That way we see how the price action will give us. Next is NZD CAD. As you guys can see, weekly time frame is bearish, daily time frame is bearish, and 4-hour is bullish. And as you guys can see on the weekly time frame, we have a very strong level of area of interest. I'm gonna put it something over here. Going down to the daily time frame, same thing. We have a very strong area of interest on the daily time frame. On the area of level, very strong. And we are also in the psychological level of the 81,000. So my ideal plan on this pairs is pretty much same thing as the NZDJPY, to have pretty much breakdown and look for have a retracement and look for a sell opportunity. That way for us to give us and retest on this trade. And going down to the lower time frame, as you guys can see that I put my area of interest where I'll be looking to enter the trade. So pretty much just retest this area of interest where I'll be looking to trade, enter the trade, and that way for us to give us a shift of structure. And right now price action has been shifting to the upside, so we're just going to be waiting for this price action to pretty much shift to the downside, then that way for us to enter the trade. And next is EUR NZD. This pair is very higher risk because we don't have a weekly time frame and daily time frame area of interest. As you guys can see, weekly time frame is bullish, daily time frame is bullish, and 4-hour is bearish. So my plan on this trade is pretty much price action to have a retracement, go to the downside on the very strong level of previous structure point on the daily time frame. As you can see that price action has slowed down, looks like it's gonna go down to the downside where I'll be looking to look for buys, because like I said, weekly time frame is bullish, daily time frame is bullish. I am not looking to enter buys in this area, not until we have a retracement on this previous structure point on the daily time frame. And if price action has has reached this area of interest where I'll be looking to buy and rejected it the previous structure point, then that way we will be looking for us to enter a trade on buys. We're gonna be take advantage on the retracement, so we're gonna be looking for the sell opportunity. So right now, price action has break below on this previous structure point, and right now it looks like it's having a break below again, have a retracement, and that way I'll be looking for sell opportunity. Going down to the lower time frame, break below, retest. Let me see if it has shifted already. This has not shifted yet. It's still bullish. Yeah, we have not shifted yet, and I'm not ready to enter the trade this on this pair yet. So we're gonna be waiting for the price to pretty much, break below and then retest and then look for sell. $50 has shifted already. Never mind. Yeah, 15 minutes has shifted, and 30 minutes have. Oh, it shifted already. I'll show you guys. Over here. Lower low, and then break above. This will be going here, and a break below it. So we shifted on the 15 minutes and daily 30 minutes. I'll be looking for the price to pretty much have a retracement and look for sell. Very, 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 very interested on this pair, but it's a higher risk because we are taking advantage of the retracement, and looks like we're gonna have a left head, right shoulder. So we're gonna be waiting for the pullback, then look for sell. So that's for the EUR NZD. Next, we're going to be going to EUR AUD. This is the same thing as the EUR NZD. Pretty much no weekly time frame area of interest, daily time frame area of interest. The only time I'll be looking for buys because we are also, and right now daily time frame is bullish, daily time frame is bullish. The only time I'll be looking for buys is when price action has reached this area. Same thing as it's the same thing as the EUR NZD. So going down to the lower time frame, same thing. Break below, pull back up, then look for sell. Let me check. $85,500. Very nice. We're on the psychological level. Left head, right shoulder. Really much. I like this pair right here. The left head, right shoulder. So hopefully we have a retracement, and I'll be looking for a sell. So that's for these two. They have a same idea, same price action. I mean, just a different price action, say different movement, but same idea trade. And next is CHF JPY. We don't. I'm not really interested on this pair. The only time I'm really interested is that I'm seeing a pattern of a left head, right shoulder. I wanna like watch this pair, how this play. And if price action has break below, pull back up over here, definitely we're gonna be forming up a left head, right shoulder. So we are gonna be waiting for this price action to pretty much pull back up over here. We look for a rejection, then I'll be looking for a sell opportunity. And I have my alarm over here, so we're just gonna be keep an eye out on this one. Not really interested, but I'm seeing a pattern, so I want to keep an eye on it. So yeah, and this is my mentor's pair. Not really interested on this pair, but it's Vincent here right now. 11:03, April 16, Wednesday. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick update on the trade on the pairs that we really interested and the pairs that we entered this week. So far, right now, we don't have any open position. We do, but we closed it already. So right now, I'm gonna give you guys a update. So yeah, let's start on the NZD/JPY. On this pair, I was looking for this price action to pretty much break below, have a retracement, reject, and then go to the downside. Right now, price action has been still above it. We don't have a, we do have a shift of structure on the 1 hour, but I'm interested for this price to pretty much break below, retest on this area level, then go to the downside. Right now, it's not yet ready. This probably be ready around London session, maybe if price is below it, and give us a clean shape of structure on this pair. I am really interested on this trade. Very nice. Weekly is bearish, daily is bearish, and 4 hour is bullish. So we're gonna wait for this 4 hour to shift to the downside. Next is GBP JPY. Same thing as the NZD JPY, I guess. Break below, have a retracement. And as of right now, weekly is bearish, daily is bearish, and I don't like how we have mixed daily has been consolidating on the same spot. 4 hour is bearish, daily is bearish. I'm interested on this pair. If price action it break below, we shifted on the 1 hour. Did we? Yes, we did. I'm ready for this. I'm waiting for this price action to pretty much break and retest. That way, it'll give us a clean 3R or 2R multiple. I'm gonna be waiting for this one. Just gonna be waiting for this one to have a clean shape of structure, so I can just break below and then retest. And CHF JPY. This before I explained this pair Friday, I was really interested on this pair because I'm seeing a pattern of the left head, right shoulder. And what did I say? Once price action has reached in this area, we will be looking for this have a reject and go to the downside. But looking at it right now, 1 hour has shifted to the downside. Very clean, shifted, came back again. Left head, right shoulder. This one's very clean. But I missed this trade. So I missed this trade. It happens on around London session, I believe. London session, yeah, London session. And I woke up around 7:30. So price action is already here in this area, so it's too late for me to enter. But yeah, this is the pair that I'm really interested on CHF JPY. We missed it. Seeing a left head, right shoulder. Very nice. If we enter this trade, we could have took profit of the 2.69R multiple. Next one is EUR AUD. I entered this trade. This pair is a very high risk that we don't have a weekly and daily time frame area of interest. But we were taking advantage of the 4-hour time frame because 4-hour we are bearish and 2-hour we are bearish. So we took advantage of that. And as you guys can see in the 4-hour, we have a very strong level of the area of interest, and we are also in the psychological level of the 8500. So price action has break below, seeing a left head, right shoulder. Not very clean, but I'm seeing a pattern. And as soon as price action shifted to the downside, that's when I entered the trade. I think I entered the 30 minutes. Yep, I entered the 30 minutes. But there's only one thing that I made a mistake over here is that I closed my trade and not knowing my stop loss was around here. I thought my stop loss was here. Thinking that I closed my profit of the above 2.40R multiple, but no, I closed my profit at 1.80R multiple. I'm gonna show you guys right now. EUR AUD. I was risking 1% on the 5K challenge, so that's like $50 times 1.8R multiple, so that's $85. So yeah, my stop loss was very high to the point that my risk and reward got smaller. So this one is this one is very clean, very nice, clean trade. And we're gonna be moving to the next one. EUR NZD, same thing as the EUR AUD. I was looking for this price action to pretty much go to the downside. And like I said on the previous video, I was going to be looking for the left head, right shoulder. Once price action have rejection on this one, I'll be entering the trade. But I missed this trade. So it's okay. We entered on the EUR AUD. And this one right here, we missed it. We could have earned easily of a 4R multiple if we entered this trade, but that's okay. So that is it for the quick update on the pairs that we are interested this week. And if I see another opportunity, then I'll definitely give you guys an update and make a video about it. But for now, I'll end the video and I'll see you guys to the next one. Bye bye.